There's another muscle car. Jeez, look at the engine on that thing. See the paint job a little bit better. Remarkable. Okay, looking down the side of this Camaro a little bit more. Inside of him. Nice. And we got an old GTO over here. Better get on the other side. I've got too much sun on you. Okay, you can see the GTO down there. Walk around here. Try to get here where you don't have so much sun on you. Yeah, they used to call these goats back in the day. I'm going to show you a really neat car right behind me here. Okay, it's not really a car, it's a truck. It's really says Route 3. I don't know if that's the actual name of the vehicle or what. Got nice. Can't see anything right now. Again, it's right over my face. I'll try to get to as much of this engine as I can. Walk around to the other side. Are they
allowing some burnouts? Because I'm hearing them. I am too.
Yeah, there's been quite a few out there today.
I mean, are they allowing it? Police aren't getting after them?
They're not.
Not doing anything, huh?
No. They've been pretty nice about it this year. The rest of that truck. It's a cute little thing. Pose with our picture there. That's really a tank. I think that's his gas tank. Yeah, that's his gas tank. But yeah, I'm looking down into this thing. There's the back of it. Give me an idea. There's my hand. Below my belly belt. I'm sure you all know that is. Man, there's a real nice Bel Air over here too. We got a good look at it. Yeah, really nice. That's what his engine looks like. Get around here and get a front end shot of this. Hard to see anything that's under my eyes.
Oh, we going to the candy store? I'm sorry. I got money.
Track inside.
And Leanne.
By the way, here's a little bit more inside here. I wanted to show you the seats he has in there, and we noticed up in his gun rack, it's like a flintlock. Got no flintlock.